dimensional cat eye. So we are going to apply right on the top of the number 24 jet black, and you apply it really nice in coat. Also keep your bristle flats when you do, so then it's gonna be really nice and blend. Your gel polish is so much better. And floating on the top, you're gonna do, just hold this little cute magnets and then hold it right here. So right underneath, you can see that it's pulled right there, effects for you. And when you're happy with this, take it off. And now we're going to key it for 60 seconds. So this is number 40, it's dash of green. And again, for all of you just tuning in, hello, thanks so much for tuning in. And we are going to moving on the number 41. It's very blue, and then on out of these two colors, I am gonna do is two cute crystal placement on the top. So it is number 41, very blue, and is already also the color swatch right on the top of the cap. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Hey Deli, hello, how are you? So this is very blue, number 41. And again, I did one coat of the jet black and key for 60 seconds, and then apply the number 41, very blue. And do not key yet. So you're gonna using your magnets, and it's hold right into the center. You can do it wherever, okay? It doesn't have to be right in the middle. You can do however you would like. And release. All right. And then we're gonna go here again for 60 seconds. So that is number 21. I'm really obsessed with every single of them. So is this one done? Because we want to make sure that they are going the right order. So you might want to get me the number, the gun. I mean the price gun or whatever it's put the numbers on. So we're gonna go into again number 42, golden shine, and again the swatch is right on the top already. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. And I also have my jet blacks already in Kia for 60 seconds. I didn't put any top coat on yet. So this is a number 42. This is golden shine. And then I'm gonna floating it on. Okay. And don't key anything yet. So we are gonna using ours is magnetic cat eyes. Hold right underneath. And if you want to do it more, you can always go back and do another coat and yeah, and then using the magnets is keys again. So this one is very blue, and this one is dash of just aqua blue, dash of green, golden shine. Golden shine is right here, and then it's very blue. Okay, this is golden shies, and then it's 8 colors, newest 8 color. I'm so excited. So we are like doing it 4 color already, and you see that how simple and easy it's created. It's really fun, it's a stunning design. And I'm going to moving on. The number 43 is purplish blue, and this is golden shy, yeah. Again, I'm gonna apply is 1 coat purplish blue right on the top of the jet black. So you can do it on the top of any colors. It doesn't have to be black, okay? So beautiful. Even you don't want anything else, you can leave it alone. It's so gorgeous already. using your magnets and the hole is right here, what it does, it will pour in the effects and it's create this really stunning look for you. Release and then clear. That's all. If you want that simple designs, there's going to be a lot of different ways to doing it, but this is one of really stunning way. All right, so now we are moving on to number 44 is luxury purple. 41. And also is the swatch right on the top of the cap. Hello everyone, thank you. Hi Ajay, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I have, this is a black colors underneath, which is jet blacks, number 24 from Glitz Gel Polish, and I did apply is number 44, which is luxury purple from newest Cat Eyes collection. So do not clear yet. We're floating it on the top, and then I'm gonna using the magnets tool and then get that. It looks really good in person though. Not sure how it looks is under. And here for 60 seconds. That is number 44. It's luxury purple. This is 42. I'm gonna top coat it later in this little bit. And two more colors. So we have it number 45, Innocent Pink. And the swatch is right on the top. It's color of the cat eyes. Again, I have is one layer of the jet blacks number 24 from Glitz Gel Polish collection. Floating on the top, and then don't key it yet. We're gonna use the tools and then get that. You see that you can move it, you can do it centered, you can do it on the like left or right, so however you want it. All right, so here for 60 seconds. And then the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 46. Which is natural brows. Again, I did have it. Number 24 is jet blacks on the background. And here for 60 seconds, and then I am going to apply. This is number 46, so natural brow. And if you don't want anything, you can just like key it and then top coat and key it and you're good to go. And I'm gonna using a magnet and key this. I mean, the create a really cool effects. How super easy, simple is. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. All right, 45, here you go. And look at that, how beautiful it is. I'm gonna move it. Can you able to see? All right, it's gonna be really cool and easy, simple. It's a tutorial today. This is how easy and simple it is to create. So what colors that you want to see with the crystal placement? Can you see the number though? We can't do it too close because it's that's, and then after that you can put the top coat on, you're good to go. So a lot of question asking for newest cat eyes. Super easy. You can do either way. You can do with cat eyes look finish, or you can do it with the difference. You can using on this angles and create. Let me see if I have a lot of others. Oh, so this one you can use it without. This one you can use it without magnets and create anything. It looks so stunning, like how more platinum colors. But if you want to create the looks effects, absolutely let me see if I can get you the different effects. Oh, and then this is really cool though. This is, I got like the sample of it that we did it in a different colors, so you can do in the different colors on the background. So this one I did the number 11, which is a hot pink from Glitz Gel polish, and it will turn out the hot pink. You see that? Number 18. Yes, number 11. I'm sorry, right here, number 11. So it really depends on you. If you want the backgrounds in the different colors, you can definitely do that. I did number 11 first, and then I did number 42. I'm sorry, 45, which is this one, Innocent Pink, on the top of this. That how we're gonna give it different look, you know. Different effects. So 42, everybody 42. That's awesome. 1, 2, 3. So we're doing the crystal placement on this one.